Today you are going to create an artwork based on featured artist Luke Egan. Using a pencil, blank paper, and ruler, draw a building along the bottom of the paper. Start with the basic shape of the building first, then add the additional features you would like to include. You must include one door and one window on your design. As you can see, I added way more than that. Once everything is in place, continue to add intricate details to your building. Make the artwork look as customized as possible. This will add a lot of visual interest to the overall design. If you are unsure about what type of building you should draw, refer to the provided Google document in the presentation to help you out with some ideas. Once the building is complete, add tentacles to the top of the building so they look like they are emerging from the structure. You must include at least 5 tentacles in your design. Place them in a way that they fill up the empty space around the building. Remember, this building should look like it's being octopied, just like Luke Egan's installations. If you are unsure about how to draw a tentacle, please refer to the additional tutorial where I demonstrate how you can easily draw these in a few basic steps. Address the background, adding in a ground line. In my case, I chose to add a zigzag line along the bottom of my paper to represent grass. Think of some other things that you can use to fill in the empty space of the background. In my artwork, I decided to fill in the empty spaces with a couple of shrubs. I used a curvy, squiggly line to make the basic shape, then continued with this pattern for some additional texture. Using a black, ultra-fine tip Sharpie marker, carefully outline your drawing. Remember to take your time during this step and be neat with your tracing. Erase away any remaining pencil lines, cleaning up the image. Color in your image using assorted markers and colored pencils. I decided only to use markers on my tentacles as a way of making them stand out against all the other components in my artwork. Markers have a bolder color effect compared to colored pencils. This was the main reason I decided to make this choice in my design. When shading with your colored pencils, be sure it's smooth and even. One strategy I suggest to make your artwork look even more refined while coloring using colored pencil is to simply blend different colors together. This will allow the artwork to have a fuller richness to the color and not read as so flat. Once you have completed your artwork, please publish to Artsonia under Luke Egan Octopied. Then, mark the assignment as turned in within Google Classroom.